Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can read the pattern of any Qualcomm phone using Miracle Thunder 2. So as you can see, I have this Oppo and it's locked by pattern. So guys, first of all, you just have to turn off your phone. The method works on any phone if it comes with a Qualcomm CPU. So once the phone is turned off, launch Miracle Thunder. You can download this tool from the link in description for free and install it very easily. If you don't know how to install this tool, you can watch my other video on the channel. So guys, you have to power off your phone and connect it with your system by holding both the volume keys. Make sure that you have installed Qualcomm Qt Loader drivers on your system. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my other video. So once the phone is connected, you're gonna see this Qt Loader. So guys, now go to Qualcomm tab, read flash, and select read pattern. Find the code, and that's it. Simply click on start button. Now it may take some time, but it is reading the phone's pattern. And there you can see the pattern of this phone, but it's in the numeric code. It's really easy. You can simply apply your pattern by numbers. Let me show you how you can do that. So guys, by watching this image, I hope you can understand how you can apply your pattern on the phone. So this is our pattern. That's it guys. So that's how you can unlock your phone if you forget the key password. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.